how to factory reset your Whoop 4.0 health tracker. So the device itself doesn't have a normal factory reset button, but the closest official option is to reboot the device or use the erase device data that is possibly available in your app. So go ahead and download the Whoop app. You don't have to put in 4.0. I accidentally did that. But expectedly, you would probably already have the Whoop app since you needed it to connect the Whoop device to your, of course, phone or whichever device you're using. But then you're gonna go ahead here in the bottom right corner, which is the more section, and you're gonna have to go to accounts and settings. So here in device settings, you can find the specific device you want. Then just go ahead into advanced settings, scroll down until you find the reboot device. You can also unpair and pair it back if you'd like, but that's pretty much one way you can do this. Hopefully this video helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.